How would you like more of your ideal clients to discover you? What you're going to want to do is offer a ton of free value, give useful tools and advice without strings attached. You build trust when you don't ask for anything in return, and over time, sharing your knowledge earns credibility, authority, and loyalty. Then later, when they need coaching, they know exactly where to turn. You are top of mind. People crave growth, not quick sales. So try it out. Give generously without expecting immediate return, and watch your following and your sales grow exponentially.
I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.